Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're taking a look at this brand new 2024 Avenir 17BH travel trailer. This is a smaller bunkhouse travel trailer. Great little starter camper. It's not going to break the bank. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of this little RV, show you what this thing's all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the brand new 2024 Avenir 17BH travel trailer here. As you've seen on the floor plan that was up, this is a small bunkhouse unit. So you have your master bed right across the front here. Now there is storage underneath it here from outside. There is part of it that you could raise up from inside. However, the factory puts a little screw in there so that they're not responsible for anything coming apart in travel, but you can take that little screw out and raise up and down part of it from the inside if you choose to do so. There's TV hookups up here, backer in the wall, little shelf space up here as well. We got a little air conditioner over here on the side, shelf space, a little bit of cabinet space over there as well. Now this dinette will go down, make into a bed. Now under this side, there's storage. Again, they put a screw in there, but you could take that screw out, which I did just to check it. And over there, there's not storage because the electric box and your power cord and stuff is all stashed underneath of there. But that will make into a bed, and you can store stuff under there. Over here, you're going to have your 5100 BTU electric fireplace. So basically throwing out some heat in here for those cool fall nights. Right down here you have your monitor panel for your holding tanks. Also the button to light the water heater on propane. Electric outlet down there as well. 2-burner gas stovetop. High-rise sprayer faucet. The window over here does open, and also the window at the dinette opens as well. You got your power awning button here, and you have some light switches here. There is a little vent fan up here as well. Again, electric box with the breakers and fuses down there. You got a little pull-out drawer here. Currently using a Everchill mini fridge. This is 3.3 cubic feet. Greystone microwave up top. Propane leak detector, some storage down below. The bunks are rated for 275 pounds. You have a window down there, does open. Little lights back there to flip on and off. Bathroom door has a little lock on it. Foot flush toilet. Another little vent up here. And your shower area here does have a small tub, so you could maybe give a little child a bath or something in here if you needed to. But nice little unit here, coming in under 2,900 pounds according to their weight sticker on it. You know, just under 21 feet long, and coming in at a little under $14,000. So very nice little unit here to check out. Be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. We're going to head out to the outside. I want to show you around the outside of the RV real quick. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are back on the outside of the brand new 2024 Avenir 17BH by Cruiser RV here. Starting here on the door side of the RV. First things up, we have a tough coat aluminum sided exterior. So a little bit different looking metal on the outside compared to most RVs on the market. There are a couple other brands using something similar. You have power awning, LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV, adjustable arms for tilting, manual override in the front arm head. There is a little pass-through storage area right here. Goes across the whole RV and a little bit over to the left as well. You have 4 heavy-duty scissor stabilizer jacks, flip-out entry step, Just down below, you have your freshwater tank drain. And then back here, you're gonna have hot and cold low point water drains as well. The unit is a single axle unit, steel wheel, drum brakes, easy lube hubs. You have tinted windows. They are still doing the 3-year limited structural warranty on this as well, which is nice because a lot of brands are only doing 1. You have a freshwater fill up here, city water connection. There's also a 6-gallon gas water heater located right there as well. You have gutter tracks going down both sides with the 3-inch gutter extensions on them. Traditional 4-inch squared tube bumper on the back. It is prepped in the top center right there for a Furrion rear observation camera. It's a nice safety feature to consider adding. Lets you see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road or backing into a campsite. Here in the top right corner, you have prepping for that Lippert portable stow and go ladder. It's another nice feature you can consider adding on. And just down below right there is going to be your black and gray dump. And then you have your black tank flush, it looks like. A cable inlet and your 30 amp power cord pulls out right here. Air conditioner up there. Just the other side of your pass-through storage here. Baggage doors are held up by the magnetic clips. Right here we have some important informational stuff here. So first things up, we have a sticker here, which is called the production date sticker, telling us the RV was built 2/20 of 24. This RV has a gross vehicle weight of 3,912 pounds. Up here, we got our tire sticker telling us ST 205/75 R14 D range tire. On the front here, you have a nice smooth metal on the front and then a lower diamond plate. And you can see it is sloped back as well. Single 20-pound propane tank, 2 5/16 hitch ball, manual tongue jack, heavy duty safety chains, 7-way Bargman wiring plug. There's room for 1 or 2 batteries to go here depending on the size of the battery. Now just inside the entry exit door right here is another sticker that they also put on here. I wish they'd put it over on the outside with the other ones. But right here it tells us our dry weight. So this RV, the way it rolled off the assembly line, was 2,828 pounds. Has your VIN number and everything on there as well, and also some more cargo carrying capacity stuff. Basically telling you how much water and gear you're allowed to put in there. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch my RV video. Greatly appreciate it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you don't mind. And as always, please remember to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They're one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They'll definitely save you a lot of money. Thanks again.